Hello guys, my name is P. Charan Kumar. As I was continuing my course, today's topic is about arithmetic operation. Let's take a quick recap to our before sections. Like I have taught you what is a variable, how to initialize a variable into it, and how to store a value in this variable, and multi assignments of that variables, and how to print a statement in a Python. Right? Today's topic is about arithmetic operation. We you all know that what is arithmetic operation, what it includes, like plus, minus, into multiplication, into is called as multiplication and division. Right? Let's get into the topic. Before that, I gonna say I gonna take a variable. We all know how to initialize a variable, right? Yes, 12. Right, another variable to add a to add two variables. To add a variable, so at least we need to have a two variables. Okay, let's take another value. B is equal to 14, right? Okay, now let us perform first arithmetic operation as addition. A plus B. What is that answer? 26. As it is, 12 plus 14 is equal to 26. And we're gonna apply now subtraction. It's negative 2 as it is, right answer. And now we have to get into the multiplication. Before getting into the multiplication, for the multiplying you need to use a symbol called asterisk, not the multiplication general multiplication symbol as into or x. Okay, I'm gonna show the how asterisk look like. This is a asterisk, and use another variable. Okay, 12 into 14 is 168, right? It is. And now I'm gonna perform division. For dividing, you need to use a forward slash, not the general symbol like dividend. A divided B. Okay, so it is. Right, now I'm gonna perform modules. Module symbol looks like percentage symbol. I'm gonna show it now. Yes, it is. Okay, 12. And let's perform B. We're gonna learn it as A modules B. Okay, and let's perform now B modules A. Don't think you're gonna get it same answer. No, you will get a different answer. Okay, let's show it for the B modules A. It's 2. The answer has been differentiated. Okay, not only for the numbers, we can apply the arithmetic operations to the words. In Python, the words are called as strings. Okay, let us declare a sentence using a variable name as sen. Use the symbol called is equal to. Okay, let me teach about the strings. Strings are the one you should write the strings in the inside the double quotation. Start with the double quotations and end it with the double quotations. Okay, like type a sentence whatever you want. My name is Charan. Okay, double quotations. And if you want to get it, type as sen, you enter. My name is Charan. And you can perform the addition to the two strings. You need to use a term called concatenation. Don't use the symbol, sorry, don't use the general term like addition. Here, addition of two strings is called concatenation of strings. Okay, use the term called concatenation. Let's concatenate. Okay, let us declare another string. First name. We all have got the first name and the last name, right? Let's try with that. Is equal to, and I have said before you need to use the double quotations. Let's type Charan. I need to use double quotation. The last name is, let's type Kumar. Okay, now let's concatenate. First name plus last name. Oh, sorry, spelling mistake. First name plus last name. I'm gonna get it. Charan Kumar. Generally, we have spaces between the names, right? Yes, you can get the space between two names by providing a space like this. Use like this. Sorry. First name plus last name, right? Oh, sorry. You need to use a space like this. For getting the space, you need to give like this. Double quotations. Again, use the symbol called addition. And last name. Last name. Yes, it is. Let's type enter. Yes, you got some space between the Charan and Kumar. Now it's look like pretty name. Okay, and you can get the as you cannot perform the subtraction between the strings as Python doesn't support for that. If you want, I can show it. Yes, I have typed as first name minus last name. Okay, let's give error. It's gonna give us error as Python doesn't support the operate as minus. Okay, is because it is a string. Cannot perform the subtraction between two strings, and as well you cannot perform the division between two strings, and you can apply the multiplication for those two strings. As remember that you cannot apply for the multiplication and division for the two strings, but you can apply addition and multiplication. If you want, I will show you now. Okay, let's type hello. Don't forget about double quotations again. Okay, for giving the multiplication, you need to use the same symbol as string. As you can type the number how many times you want. I'm going to type it as 10 times. Hello into 10 times, right? Let's type. Yes, we got the hello 10 times. Hello, 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 hello. Okay. And let's take a quick recap of this video. I've shown how this video is about the arithmetic operation. I've shown how to perform the addition and subtraction of two variables and multiplication and division, and moreover modules for the getting the remainder. And I've shown how to write a string in a Python and how to concatenate two strings by using my first name and the last name. And I will show you cannot perform the subtraction and division for the two strings, and I've shown you how to multiply the one string on how many times, multiple times you want it. Okay guys, let us meet you in the next video. Thank you for watching this.